Hello guys, I hope you're having a great day. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk about the magical powers of words. We many a times take our words for granted without knowing that they are spells that we cast upon ourselves, upon others, and upon our circumstance. Our lives go in the direction of our words. Proverbs 15 verse 1 says that words satisfy the soul as food satisfies the stomach. A great word spoken by the lips of a person brings satisfaction. What kind of satisfaction we bring to our lives is dependent on the words that we say. Sometimes we could have a careless thought of negativity, such as I am inadequate, I am not equal to the task, I can't fulfill my dreams, But the moment we begin to say it out, it re-echoes itself and deepens the power of that thought to register in our subconscious mind, our subconscious man, which is our higher self. And then we find that we are influenced to begin to act on the words that we say. So if for a moment you think that regardless of what you eat, you are unhealthy, you find out that what you eat and the treatments you give to yourself will not manifest itself on your body. Your body will begin to act against you. When you think that you cannot do it academically because you are unintelligent, your performances in school will drop. Negative thoughts are not a sign of humility. They are destructive. As humans, we sometimes feel inadequate. But when we begin to talk about our inadequacies again and again, it registers in our subconscious mind, and then we begin to act upon it. We begin to act as we think. So do not give power to your thoughts that will not benefit you by uttering them under any circumstance. I love the admonition of an Islamic quote that says, when we are silent, our words are under us. Until we speak them, we come under our words. Our words are like seed. They might appear irrelevant, but give it a period of time, it will blossom and become a gigantic living thing, even as these trees that you see around here. Once upon a time, they were just seedlings that we planted, but today I am under their shade, under the comfort of their shade. I have a mantra or two to give to you that can, relate positively to your subconscious man and push you to act accordingly for your own favor and good. Let's say that you feel all alone, you feel things are working against you, you seem to be overcome by your fears. You can say this affirmation: the light of God surrounds me, the love of God enfolds me, the power of God protects me, the presence of God watches over me. Wherever I am, God is, and all is well with me. When you say those things, you never can tell the angels that are around you at the moment. The angels who have your blessings from God and who are inspired and motivated to pay greater attention and care to you. When you say negative things to yourself as though, you are vulnerable to attacks, you cannot succeed in life because you don't have what it takes, you don't have the resources, and so you must be deprived. There are evil spirits that would reinforce that circumstance and make sure that you live it. You remember King Saul in the Bible? He was a great king, anointed, by the prophet of God. But the moment he began to be envious of David, what happened? The scripture records that an evil spirit from the Lord began to torment him. And at the end of the day, what happened to him? In war, he fell deliberately upon his sword and died. He committed suicide. Why? Because he allowed ugly thoughts such as jealousy and inadequacy to come upon him, and it made him to misbehave. So we have to be careful of what we allow into our minds. I mean, any wild thoughts can just sway in, but you have the power to kick it out. Our minds is like a TV channel. You know, you can take it from one channel to the other. You have the remote, you have the control. But when you allow a certain thought to have roots in your mind, it will grow and then it will blossom, whether it be for good or for evil. We have to be mindful of what we allow to settle on our minds. So that's the message I have for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. And if you'd like me to create any video that would answer your questions, please feel free to put that down on the comments below. Thank you.